is Blake Haney filming for another bike check on my new channel. Subscribe and like, and this is C-Rolphs Specialized Big Dog 24 bike check, so here we go.
Alright, got some ODI bar ends with the ODI long neck grips, super comfortable. Got me a stock brake lever, because no one likes to buy them. Stock stem and headset, because I'm cheap. Specialized 24 forks. Odyssey Aiken tire with a stock rim and hub. Laced with stock spokes. Got a sweet G-Sport hub guard with no pegs, because I roll like that. Got a Specialized P24 frame. Super comfortable. Got the S&M Hoder bars. They're fat. They're really comfortable. Got the Shadow Crow seat. Super couch with some post. I don't even know. Got stock brakes. Got the Primo hollow bike cranks. And some Odyssey JCPC pedals. Super fresh. Got the Shadow Conspiracy chain, half link. Odyssey Aiken tires. And I got my Fit sprocket and stock rim and hub. That's my bike.